Hello mga katatay! Welcome to Super Dad Podcast. And with me today is Sir Son.
Yeah.
And we are uploading this on his birthday, no? Happy birthday, Kuya
Yeah,
Tep
it's
Tep.
my birthday. I'm 7 years old
You're
now.
7 years old now, no? And naku, may isang nag-iiyak din sa And what's your wish for your birthday, Kuya Tep?
I don't know yet. I'm still thinking.
You're still thinking. Okay. So, guys, thank you again for watching our video podcast. Sobrang saya namin dahil sa napakaraming nag-view noong mga first 3 episodes natin dito sa Super Dad Podcast, no? And thank you ng marami sa inyo guys for watching, for listening sa aming podcast sa Spotify, no? Super Dad Podcast in Spotify. Sa Facebook rin, yung mga nanood sa Facebook, ina-upload din natin ito, no? In our Facebook. What's our Facebook page?
I forgot it.
Sir Dad, man. Sir Dad. And our YouTube channel, Sir Dad, no? So, sa lahat ng social media accounts namin, paki-follow po kami and subscribe. And like, yes.
Ring the bell also.
Ring the bell also, no, if you're watching on YouTube, no. So follow nyo rin kami sa Spotify and sa Instagram at I am Sir Dad, guys, no. And sobrang saya namin, kaya eto, tuloy-tuloy na talaga tong podcast natin. Pasensya na, for 3 days I wasn't able to upload a new video, a new podcast here in our channel kasi medyo naging busy si Sir Dad, no. We have seminars, no.
Yeah, seminars.
Yeah, and
He was doing his seminar at Tagaytay.
Yes, I was in Tagaytay for a seminar for work,
Yeah.
no? And alam nyo guys, yung mga, batiin ko rin pala guys, no? Yung mga nakasama ko sa seminar guys natin, no? Napakabait ng mga table mates ko kasi that's for Metro Manila pala. And kami lang hindi taga Metro Manila, no guys, no? Teka, kaya yung mga groupmates ko sobrang solid, napakasaya namin dun sa seminar na yon, guys, no. Ngayon guys, ang gagawin natin today could be we have another topic, no. We have another topic today.
Yeah.
And our topic is anong topic natin?
Podcast.
Nawala kasi yung audio namin, no? Nawala yung audio namin, kaya medyo napatigil ako. Kaya dun sa mga nakikinig sa Spotify, medyo mababago lang ng onti yung audio natin. Our topic for today is how I made up to the time I lost on my family. No? You understand that, Kuya? You understand that?
Get it.
You don't get it? How I made up to the time I lost on my family. Okay? So, marami sa inyo guys makaka-relate na to sa ano na to, no, sa podcast episode natin na to, at sana ay marami kayong matutunan. Pero bago lahat, shout out muna natin yung mga malusugid nating taga-subaybay. Unahin na natin si Sir Vicente Sambayan, no? From Santa Maria, Batangas, no? Grabe, sobrang appreciate ko yung comment niya, no, na yung tungkol dun sa ang totoong tigasin, no? Dahil yun nga, ang totoong tigasin ay proud, no, na nakakatulong sa kanyang may bahay, no. At isa diyan si Ka Vicente Sambayan, no. Isa pa ay si Sir Noriel Vinoyan, no. Si Kuya Noriel, no. Si Kuya Noriel naman, break the stereotype daw, no. Break the stereotype patungkol sa tigasin at patungkol sa under, no. Kaya maraming salamat dahil na-appreciate ninyo yung episode natin na yon, no. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po lahat ng comments ninyo, lahat ng nanonood at nag-take time na talagang i-follow kami, mag-subscribe sa aming walang kakwenta-kwentang podcast. Pero sana ay kahit papano naman ay nakapagbibigay po sa inyo ng aral, ng saya, no, ng karagdagang kaalaman, no. Like this there. Dahil yung natin, script natin, no. Pero baka marami kasi Sir Son ang napapataas ang kilay dahil dun sa first two episodes natin, it's about a dad who does the household chores, no. So some of the dads don't do that. They just work and they don't clean the dishes, they don't clean the house, they don't take care of the kids, no? They don't maybe most of them, no? They're focused on providing for the needs of their family. But actually, you can juggle naman, no? You can juggle naman the obligations of a dad.
juggle?
Juggle, yeah. You can juggle the obligation of a dad and
What?
a work and your work at the same time, no? Pero baka may mga nagsabi na hindi makakatotohanan yan dahil 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. yung job nila. Biyahe pa lang, ubos na yung energy daw nila. Tapos, wala na rin silang halos bonding sa kanilang mga anak dahil sa pagod na sila. Tapos tutulong pa sila sa misis nila sa bahay. Parang di na daw ata kaya yon, no? Paano ginagawa yun ni Sir Dad? How does Sir Dad do it, no? Baka daw binobola lang natin sila, mga katatay, no? Well, actually, I understand where you're coming from, mga katatay, no? Because I also experienced that, no? When you were 1, 2 years old, actually, Daddy, happy birthday, Kuya Tep. There's no.
Stop.
Actually, when Tep was 1 to 2 or to 2 years old, I was an employee and malala pa, ganyan din naranasan ko rin yan, no. I have been employed for 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah. Yes, kung sila 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., baka ako mas matagal pa, no? Dahil pag tayo kasi nagtrabaho, dahil may pangarap tayo, no? May dream tayo, no? Eh talagang buhos ng buong makakaya para rin hindi naman malugi sa atin yung pinagtatrabahuan natin, no? Ayan, ganda talaga ng podcast ni Ronaro, 'di ba? So, si Tap Tap is singing. Tapos ayun, papasok ng maaga, may times na kailangan pumasok ng maaga, tapos uuwi ng late, no? Tapos minsan kailangan weekend papasok ka pa rin. Tapos OT ng OT, go ng go, no? Especially sa profession namin, siguro mga nakaka-relate dyan. Pagka finance ka, lalo na pagka December, January hanggang April, tinatawag na audit season, talagang sobrang daming ginagawa, daming trabaho, no? So, ganun din tulad ninyo, walang energy, no? Ang totoo, baka nga mas malala pa ako dahil sa nung kami ni Mrs. ay mag-asawa na, nasa isang bubong na, no? Ay, thank you pala sa barbero ko, di ko na papangalanan, no? Kasi ang ganda ganda ng buhok. Ganda ng buhok ko, no? Grabe, thank you sa'yo, kuya. Tapos, ayun, minsan napapabayaan na rin yung pamilya. Si Mrs. Actually, hindi ko makakalimutan, no? Yung naglilihi na nun si Mrs. kay Tep Tep. So, ibig sabihin, wala pa si Tep Tep nun. Ayun, nag-ano na ako na meron na akong pagkukulang, no, dun sa aking Mrs. Dahil sa naglilihi si Mrs. kay Tep Tep nun, tapos mga madaling araw around 12 midnight, nag-request si Mrs. Naglilihi kasi siya, nag-request si Mrs. ng something, no? So, biruin mo, di ko maalala kung ano pa yung ni-request niya. Pero tumatak yun sa kanya. Ang sinabi ko raw sa kanya ay, pwede ba tomorrow na lang kasi pagod na ako, no? Totoo naman kasi tayo, no? Pagka nagtrabaho, maagang papasok, uuwi, galing ka pa MRT, makikipagsiksikan ka sa MRT, sa boss. Sobrang pagod ka na. Drained talaga yung energy mo. Nagtrabaho ka pa, no? Sa buong araw, talagang drained yung energy mo. Minsan gusto mo na lang talagang kumain, matulog. Minsan nga, ayaw mo nang kumain, gusto mo matulog na lang, no? So, as in, nag-blackout talaga sa akin yung moment na yun. But, nalaman ko na lang yun kinabukasan na ganun yung sinabi ko sa kanya. So, that one special occasion, no, yun yung first strike for me. I won't forget that. And I really regret that, no? Kasi, biruin mo, nagili yung asawa mo, di mo man lang napagbigyan, no? It's so hard for a husband to do that, no? Kasi sa sobrang pagod mo, maaga ka pa bukas, hindi mo man lang pinagbigyan. Talagang first strike yun sa akin talaga. And I really deeply regret that, no? Which is why, that's one of the reasons I aspire to have my own business. Because having your own business, you'll have your freedom, no? Freedom of time, no? So, sa'yo kasi yung hawak mo, yung oras. Then, second strike for me, if di pa rin kayo kumbinsido na kung bakit ko kung anong nag-udyok sa akin magawa ito, no, on how I made up for the time I lost for my family. So, so I really lost time for my family, no? And that's one of the occasion. Ano yung pangalawa? Yung pangalawa, hello. The pangalawa is about my health. So, the only time kasi na I can be absent is when I am really sick, no? Pandaraya naman, pagka hindi ka talaga pagka wala ka talagang sakit, uma-absent ka, no? That's not good. And when you're sick, you're at home, syempre, you're resting, that's the only time you stay at home with your kids. So, nandun na si Tep-Tep noon. May sakit ako, dun ko lang siya makasama, dun ko siya makakatabi ng matagal at makakausap kahit papano, no? And that's the only time you'll be able to stay at home with your kids. But the problem is, I'm sick, no? So what can I do with them, no? Can I do bonding with them? Of course not, no? Can I do quality time with them? No, of course not, because you're resting, no? You're too sick to play with them or to even go outside with them, no? Pero yung nandun ka lang sa kanila, yun. Nandun ka sa kanila, kasama mo sila, yun yung ano na yun. Yun yung occasion na yun. So, that's a second strike, no? Pero mo, pag may sakit ka lang, doon ka lang magkakaoras sa family mo, which is, that's not good, no? Hello! Hey, why? What? Okay, so that's the second strike for me, no? Yun yung occasion na yun, no? Now, let's go to the third and final strike. Kasi ako talaga, meron akong prinsipyo na 1, 2, 3, third strike, no? Pagka, yun yung mga ginagawa natin. Now, last strike for me, and this time, it has to be at the end and the ultimate strike. Oh, wait lang guys, I have encountered before I finally say that Bye. Oh, there's mommy. There's mommy to the rescue. Wait lang guys. Mommy, please. Can you lock the door na lang, please? Ayan guys, So, ayan guys, sorry for the interruption, no? So, that's how our Super Dad podcast is always, no? And that's me, no? Kasi usually pagka wala na talaga ako sa kanila, ayun, talagang ma-miss ka na nila. Biruin mo, nandito lang ako sa isang lugar, tapos pupuntahan ka na nila, no? Kasi talaga yung attention ko nasa kanila. And usually in the morning, madaling araw, dun talaga ako nagtatrabaho talaga, no? Para when they're awake, I can be with them, no? Kaya yan, pupuntahan nila sa guluhin kanila, no? Well, let's go back to the topic. Last strike for me, and this time, it has to be the end and the ultimate strike I have to encounter before I finally say that I am gonna be an entrepreneur, okay? So, may clue na kayo, no, on how I did this, no? It's to be an entrepreneur. And now, I chose this to give more importance to my family, to my kids, more than the money, no? Every time I am leaving the house kasi, actually, ito yung pinaka third strike talaga. Every time I'm leaving the house, no, Tep-Tep will be crying. And the whole condo where we are staying will hear it, no? As in talagang para bang sobrang sakit sa kanya na papasok ka, no? At aalis ka, tapos pagbalik mo ay matutulog siya, no? Yun yung pinaka masakit, no, bilang tatay. When I am at the elevator, tapos may ririnig mo yung cry niya. Imagine we're from the 14th floor, no? 14th floor, tapos ground floor, no? Yung nag-echo sa'yo, no? And it makes me sad and guilty actually, no? And then when I get home nga, yun, tulog siya, no? Tapos pagod pa, di makalaro siya, no? And sometimes when I go to office, talagang sobra kasi, may mga weekends din kasi na kailangan pumasok sa opisina. And then, weekends na nga lang yung maipapaubaya mo sa kanya, hindi mo pa rin magawa. And then, I finally told myself na, this is not good, no? Hindi ko hawak yung oras ko. Kailangan, hawak ko yung oras ko para mas magkaroon ako ng panahon sa kanila. And I remember one commercial, Father's Day commercial, yung Cobra. I usually present this when I do seminars and talks, no? Sa iba't ibang mga places, no? I usually show this to them. When I watched that commercial, it made me cry talaga. As in, todong iyak talaga, no? Kasi totoo yun eh. Minsan nagtatampo talaga yung anak natin dahil so wala tayong oras sa kanila, no? Yung oras na yun na sana para sa kanila, ginugugol natin para sa trabaho. Kaya ganun ako naging aggressive na kailangan i-fast track ko to para magkaroon ako ng sariling negosyo. Although I have talaga a dream naman to own a business, no? Pero talagang I did lots of sidelines before, no? College, no? Nagpaparent ako PlayStation, nagbebenta akong brownies, kumukuha ako sa Pampanga, nagbenta ako ng kalendaryo, ibenta ko rin yung sa Tarlac, nag-encoder ako sa Tarlac, no? So maraming side hustles, no? And talagang I dreamed to be a businessman. One night, talagang I remember it vividly. Pagod na pagod ako, galing ako sa Pampanga, humango ako ng brownies ng dalawang mabibigat na plastic, na malaking plastic, no? Dahil humango nga ako ng brownies. Then, I was so tired, I was at the jeep. Then, I told myself na, okay lang to, okay lang mapagod, okay lang tong sakripisyo, basta at the age of 30 years old, I will become a CEO. That's my goal. That's my target, no? Marami pang nangyari bago natin yun. Pero, you know what? Being a dad, fast-tracked me to fulfill this dream, no? Which is a good thing. Dahil yung pagiging tatay mo, mas inspirado ka, mas naging motivated ka na magtrabaho dahil you know this will end. And you know na ito ginagawa mo para magkaroon ka ng sarili mong negosyo. Na yung sarili mong negosyong yun makapagbibigay sa iyo ng karagdagang oras or kalayaan ng oras na mas magkaroon ka ng panahon, no, sa iyong pamilya at sa iyong mga anak. Kaya being entrepreneur, talagang gusto kong sobrang bumawi sa kanila, no, of the time I lost with them, no. My wife na siya lang naiiwan mag-isa sa bahay, siya lahat. And my kid, no, which is step noon, no, na talagang grabe, no, na hindi ko nakakalaro gaano, hindi ko nakakabonding gaano, no. I really aspired to make up for the lost time, no, na with them, no. Kaya naman I became so aggressive talaga to pursue this dream, no. Nilaksan ko yung loob ko, and with the help of my very supportive wife, no, actually unti-unti akong nag-side hustle ako while I was still employed. Then unti-unti nag-build up ng clients. Then may weekend dun ka magtatrabaho. Pagkatapos mo ng trabaho, dun ka mag-side hustle, no. Tapos bukod doon may online selling ka pa, no. Lahat ng yon talaga ginawa mo, binuhos mo lahat ng makakaya mo, ginugol mo yung gabi, ginawa mong umaga. Yung pagod di mo na alintana dahil alam mo na this will end, no? And you are preparing for a better thing, which is to have your own business para magkaroon ka ng mas maraming oras para yung sa iyong pamilya. Yun yung pinaka naging inspirasyon natin, mga katatay. Where I can work from home, I can be with them, walang boss na sisita sa'yo pagkasama mo siya dahil ikaw yung boss, diba? Kung gusto mag-works from home, kasi alam nyo, sa pag-run ng business, you can actually run a business at home, no? Maraming hindi naniniwala dyan, pero that's true. I attended the seminar last time, no? Yun nga, yung sinabi ni Tep sa Tagaytay. And that's the way to go, no? Working remotely, no? Kami, as accountant dati talaga, hindi uso yun. Pero ngayon talaga, marami ng mga businessman na gano'n na, they're working remotely, no? Kaya, yun yung naging kumbaga turning point, kaya nakabawi ako at nagkaroon ako ng maraming oras sa aking pamilya. Dahil at 29 years old, I was able, with the help of my wife, we were able, no, di ako lang kasama ko siya, no, we were able to create our own company, no. And kaya yung 30 years old, mas napaaga, 29 years old, thanks to my wife and to my kids who served as my inspiration to fast track yung goal na yun, no? And it's a good thing about entrepreneurship is variable kasi yung income mo, no? Depende sa hard work mo, and yung time mo, syempre flexible yung time mo. And since na maging entrepreneur ako, yun na yung naging passion ko, yung dadpreneurship. A dad who juggles his time as his roles as a dad and as an entrepreneur at the same time, because you can, no? Yan na. You can do it, no? And one of the primary reason or factors kung bakit kaya mo is because you own your time, and that's being an entrepreneur. So, the time I lost with my wife ngayon, the time I lost with my kid, ngayon sobrang bawi. Kaya, sobrang yung pagtulong ko sa kanya. And I don't want to stop, no? I don't want to stop. I want to have my own liberty to be able to help her raising the kids, no? Building our homes or maintaining our household and raising our kids while doing our work, no? While doing our work. Dahil sa, yun nga, yun yung pinangarap ko no? Yun yung pagbawi ko sa kanila. At yun, bunga na rin ng pag-ibig ko sa kanila, no? As in, asikaso talaga sila. As in, asikaso. And one primary achievement ko nga, no? I didn't miss a single time na pinaliguan ko si Tep, no? As in, araw-araw, pinaliguan ko siya. Nito na lang, nung ayaw na niyang may kasama sa pag-take a bath, doon na lang kami nag-stop Yung kaya na niya, siya na lang daw, nahihiya na siya. No? So, darating yung puntong yon na ayaw na ng kids ninyo, nakasama kayo mag-take a bath. Kaya, ako, no, I'm proud na nasulit ko yung stage na yon, no, na kasama ko siya, no. Kasi talagang darating yung panahon na sila na lang, yung ayaw nila ng ikaw kasama kanila. So, going back to the topic, no, how did I make up for the time I lost with my family? It's one primary factor is I strive to be an entrepreneur, because an entrepreneur has flexible time, no? And you can do what you want, no? You can do what you want because you're the boss, no? You're the boss. Kaya nagawa ko maging full-time dad, no? Kaya yung mga sinabi ko ng mga nakaraang episode, nagagawa ko. And the key is to be an entrepreneur. Pero that's not an excuse, no, for the working dads out there who are not an entrepreneur yet, who doesn't have an own business yet, to have time with their kids. Ang pinagkaibahan lang natin, you have to make time with your kids, no? Ako siguro, I have more time kasi with them. You have time with them, but if entrepreneur ka, if dadpreneur ka, you have more time with them, no? So yun yung ano natin, yun yung kinaibahan natin. Kaya you can spend time with them on weekends, you can make time with them, no? You can make time during the weekends, no? What matters naman is you make time kasi, no, if you're a working dad, 8 to 5 with an 8 to 5 job, and the time you spend should be quality time. Kasi onti na nga lang yung time ninyo para sa kanila, tapos hindi pa quality. Baka naman mamaya di kayo sabay-sabay kumain. Baka mamaya pinipili mo pa yung barkada mo kaysa sa kanila, 'di ba? Yung oras sana para sa barkada mo na ibigay mo na sa kanila, 'di ba? Yung bang ganon, no? Magka-cut lang na tayo sa ano natin, no, sa video natin, no, dahil sa yung memory card natin ay full na ata, no? So ayun guys, no. Wait lang, cut ko lang saglit, then ulit tayo. Okay, ayun, kinat lang natin, no. So, eto bilang finale, no. Bilang finale, ang advice ko lang is you have to make time with your family, even you're working 8 to 5 job, no. And if meron kang entrepreneurial drive or entrepreneurial spirit, no, talagang gusto mo magkaroon ng more time sa pamilya mo, who doesn't, di ba? And be an entrepreneur, no? Be an entrepreneur, no? Napakarami ng mga napakarami ng mga negosyong pwedeng gawin ngayon, no? Especially online. So, let me take this opportunity to encourage you to have your own business, okay? Because you'll have flexible time and you'll have flexible income. Siguro we'll have a separate topic on that, no? And I hope, no, na sa podcast nito na sagot ko, no, on how, kung paano ko kung paano ko nakabawi sa oras na nasayang ko sa aking pamilya at kung bakit ako meron mas maraming oras sa kanila ngayon, no? And, pero, hindi porkit entrepreneur ka na, ay, ganun na lang yun. You still have to work hard, no? To fulfill your roles as a dad and your role as an entrepreneur, no? Sometimes, guys, we are too focused on work that we get to forget the more important things. And that's no other than our family, no? Our kids, no? As I always say, we are our child's universe for a limited time. Hence, you should make, no, the most out of it. Me, I don't regret the path I chose because I am very, very much happy that I get to see my kids grow up every day, every minute I'm with them, day by day. I can be a dad. I can be a dad for them. And every day when they need me, I am there. You know? I don't regret that. And I won't replace this stage, this being a dadpreneur to anything else. And I hope this podcast added value to you as a dad, as a parent. And if meron pa kayong mga gusto na i-discuss natin sa podcast ito, please let us know. And we'll try to answer yung mga questions or mga comments niyo or discuss yung mga topics na gusto niyo. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sir Dad, our Instagram, I am Sir Dad, our Facebook page, Sir Dad, and our Spotify, Super Dad Podcast. No? Thank you guys again for another worthwhile episode with you guys. And I hope you are all well with your family. Again, happy birthday to Kuya Tep Tep. Happy birthday. Say hi. Happy birthday to Kuya Tep Tep. And may God bless us all. Bye guys.